Hello and welcome to E-Prime. I'm Crystal. An evening with Air Supply, the Australian soft rock band, and Jamaican songbird Tessanne Chin delivered stellar performances at the Lily Pond lawn of the couple's Sans Souci resort in St. Anne.
Even not saying that you have to be the change that you want to see, you know, and anybody that can come together, and I know the ISA Foundation is good for that, you know, come together and do something amazing for our children and use an incredible tool like music, I think is an amazing thing, and we're honored to be here tonight because of that.
The concert received major crowd support from fans as the group belted hits from their extensive catalogue, including Making Love Out of Nothing at All, Just As I Am, and Even the Nights Are Better. Undoubtedly, an unforgettable musical treat. Take a look at the highlights.
Share it with you. Close your eyes, I want to ride the skies in my sweet dreams. Shut your eyes, you can feel you again. Here's my star, shut your eyes. I'm feeling what I need is someone to show.
I love the event. Air Supply is like my favorite group of all time. Oh my God, I'm all out of love. I'm so lost without you. Anyone who did not come surely missed a monumental experience.
It's fantastic. I mean, we raised a lot of money, which they needed, and I think it was a great success. And I want to thank everyone that came tonight and donated their time and their money and their love towards the cause, and it was a great success.
Big bucks raked in for a worthy cause. The group pushing the envelope by auctioning Graham Russell's one-of-a-kind guitar for $3,000 US. Other items auctioned include Tessanne's voice finale winning dress and a pair of spikes signed by the world's fastest man, Usain Bolt.
Could not miss it. I'm happy I came. It's for a worthy cause. I want to congratulate the ISA Trust and the foundation for the wonderful work they're doing.
Proceeds from the initiative will be used to improve the pediatric ward at the St. Anne's Bay Hospital. The foundation has met their target of $15 million. On the international scene, Jay-Z fans are bursting with anticipation over the rapper's upcoming studio album 444, set to be released on Friday, June 30. The rapper has scheduled a number of listening parties at several venues across the US for Thursday. 444 comes 4 years after the rapper's last studio album, Magna Carta, Holy Grail. And that's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Crystal. Blessings.